Hello everybody, so today I will talk about optimization. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to minimize the function. Here is about the function in here, and we have four equations. That's about number one, number two, and sy they have two equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we consider about this one and this one. So, we put this one, go to the right, similar for this one in here. Next, we divide both sides by 100 and number 5. Next, we know that sy is greater than or equal to number 0. That means we just consider about the positive in here. About this one, we put s equal to number 0. So we have y equal to number 10. When y equal to number 0, we put number 10, go to the left, and we divide both sides by negative 6 over 5. You got about 25 over 3 in here. Now we connect two points together. So y is smaller than or equals. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one in here. The next one, when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 6. When y equals to number 0, so we put number 6 goes to the left, and we divide both sides by negative number 2 over 5, and we have number 15. So we connect two points together. So y is greater than or equals. So that should be about this area in here. So the area we connect together, that is about this one. Next, we need to find the intersection in here. So we have two equations. We put like this. Now I will put this one go to the left, number 10 go to the right. This one we have negative 4 over 5. This one we have negative number 4. So we divide both sides by negative number 4 over 5, and we have s equals to number 5. So this one we have number 5. Now we can find the value of y. So I will choose about one equation. So I will choose this one in here. So we have number 4. So this one we have 5 and number 4 in here. Next, we need to consider about this one and this one. So this one we have 0, number 10. And this one we have 0, number 6. So we have the function in here. So for this boy 0, number 10. So we put s equal to number 0, y equals to number 10. So this one we have 800. So the next one. So we put number 0 go here, number 6 go here. And we have 480. We have 5, number 4 in here. We put number 5 go here, number 4 go here. And we have 620. They want to find minimize. So the smallest, that's about 480. When s equals to number 0, y equal to number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.